Committee on Tribal Unity (CoTU) has condemned the inaction of both the state authorities and the central government in arresting the perpetrators of the September 19 ambush at NAMBOL, where 2 personnel of 33 Assam Rifles were killed and 5 others critically injured. Terming the incident a matter of national security and a threat to constitutional order, especially with Manipur under President's rule since early 2025, CoTU questioned the government's ability to ensure safety of security personnel and civilians alike. It also urged Ministry of Home Affairs to take the attack as a reminder of why the Kuki-Zo community has rejected free movement regime and called for urgent steps to address their concerns. Reiterating that Kuki-Zo are a peace-loving community, CoTU highlighted their continued support for suspension of operation agreement and their willingness to welcome peace initiatives, including the recent visit of the Prime Minister. CoTU demanded that MHA expedite a lasting solution to the long-pending demand for separate administration under Article 239A of the Constitution. As a mark of protest, CoTU announced imposition of economic blockade from midnight of September 22 till midnight of September 25 over the delayed action against the perpetrators and perceived failure of the governor to discharge his constitutional duties under President's rule.